Understanding the need to enforce occupational health and safety best practices across all sectors of the economy, the federal government recently directed ministries, departments, and agencies of government to establish desk offices to attend to such issues. The head of the Civil Service of the Federation, Folasade Yemi-Esan, disclosed this during the OSH National Workshop, which was held at the conference hall of the Raw Material Research and Development Council, Maitama, Abuja. The workshop with the theme, Safety and Security Knowledge, the Key to Saving Lives, assembles critical stakeholders from both the public and the concerned private sector. Yemi-Esan, who was represented by the Director of the Occupational Safety and Health Department, Dr. Comfort Adeosun, noted that safety was becoming an emergency issue, while disclosing that a circular was issued to MDAs mandating them to establish desk offices and officers to man them, adding that the desk officers will be trained to know the roles they ought to play in the organizations. Yemi-Esan explained that the head of service is concerned about improving the welfare of civil servants, and we expect that the private sector will also come on board to ensure that workers are safe.
Safety is paramount both at home and at our workplace environment. Hence, the head of the Civil Service of the Federation, Dr. Folasade Yemi-Esan, is prioritizing the health and safety of civil servants in their workplaces. To ensure a safe and healthy work environment for civil servants, the Office of the Head of the Civil Service of the Federation issued a circular, which I'm sure that many of us are aware. You've seen them because we've received responses from many of your offices, both from the MDAs. We've gotten information.
She nonetheless assured the citizenry of our office's resolve to concretize its partnership with OSH Association to secure a healthy working environment for civil servants. Declaring the event open, the Minister of Women Affairs, Dame Pauline Talent Posha, noted that safety is paramount as its implementation will go a long way in preventing and addressing violence against women and girls, which according to her should be a key part to the national response plan to nation's unity. Represented by Ms. Gloria Ekanem, the Women's Minister noted that safety knowledge aligns with fundamental human rights and remains key to understanding interpersonal relationships and how to treat others. Speaking at the event, Professor Rabiu Magaji, the chairman of the National Safety Advocacy Program (NSAP), in his presentation titled Best Practices for the Establishment of OSH in the Public Sector, Prospect Challenges and Way Forward. He asserted that the International Labour Organization (ILO) says more than 6,500 people around the world die every day of work-related illnesses and over 1,000 people in a day from occupational accidents. According to him, these accidents result in financial losses such as direct and indirect costs of reconstruction, recovery and reconversion of industrial sites, production interruptions, lost working time, workers' compensation payments, among others. He added that apart from these economic costs, there are intangible costs arising from immense human, emotional, and physical suffering and work-related stress from individual workers and their families.
My presentation is going to be on best practices for the establishment of occupational health and safety.
Delegates was also enlightened on diverse health and safety issues, including safety and security knowledge in the workplace, professional financial safety intelligence, crime factors, and prevention and control strategies. Topping the event was the conferment of fellowship to 15 prominent individuals in recognition of their immense contribution towards the implementation of safety best practices in their different areas of influence, alongside the induction of 5 organizations as corporate members of the association. A total of 26 individuals were also inducted as members of the association in different categories. OSH Association has its inception remained resolute to the mandate of stunting fatalities, accidents, and incidents across all sectors of the economy through its diverse advocacy campaigns such as workshops and training programs, among all others, to see that the level of safety consciousness of Nigerians improves across the board.